Hey everyone, welcome back to Easy Access Tech. Today we are going to talk about three of the most popular project management tools. The topic is ClickUp versus Asana versus the Trello. Now this is the ultimate showdown because all three are famous and many people are confused about which one is best for their work. So don't worry, I will explain everything in simple English so you can easily understand. Before that, please check the description below this video. I have added special links. From that you can get free trial and discount which will help you to test these tools. Alright, so let's get started. Since this showdown, we will begin with Trello, then Asana and then the ClickUp. So first let's talk about the Trello. Trello is very simple. It is based on boards, lists and cards. You can create a board for your project, make list like to do, doing or done, and then move then card by step. So it is visual and easily. And in this present time, Trello is still great for beginners and small project and personal use also. Now for every complex work, Trello can feel too basic because it does not have advanced feature. And then let's talk about the Asana. It has more advanced than Trello and it lets you to organize tasks, lists and boards and also timeline and calendar also. So you can assign tasks to people, set deadlines and you can track the progress easily. And in this time, Asana is very popular with teams because it balances simplicity and power. So it's not too hard but it still gives you strong project management. Now let's talk about the ClickUp. ClickUp is the most powerful of all these three and it has tasks, docs, goals, chat, dashboard and automation. So it is like everything in one place. And this time ClickUp is very popular with growing teams and companies that want full control. But because it has so many features, it can feel overwhelming in beginning stage. Now it takes some time to learn. So now let's compare them easily. When it comes to ease of use, Trello is the easiest one because it has the more simple and basic feature. Then Asana is medium in ease of use and then ClickUp is the hardest one to learn. Now when we look at the feature, Trello is basic and the very simple feature as I talked earlier. Asana has a good balance feature and the ClickUp has the almost everything. So for pricing, all these three has the free plan. But if you want the better version and if you want a more feature, then you should go with the premium plan. So they all have their free and premium plan and you can see the pricing rate from this pricing section. Now finally, if we talk about who should use what, if you are just starting or managing simple tasks, then Trello can be a better choice for you. You can use it. But if you are working with a team and want something organized but not too complex, then Asana is the next choice can be used. And if you want an all-in-one tool with maximum feature, ClickUp is the winner. So the main thing is Trello is for beginners, Asana is for team and ClickUp is for power users. So that was the video for today. I hope now you understand the difference among these three and I hope now you understand which one is for you depending on your niche and preferences. Now if you found this very helpful, then please make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.